Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the CoinMarketCap application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CoinMarketCap application on your device, and once it is opened up, if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your Google, your Apple, or your email address and your password to log into your account. Now after logging in, you will be taken into the market's homepage where you will be able to see various different prices for different cryptos. Now from this page, tap on the account icon at the top right corner first if you wish to delete your account. Now from this page, go ahead and tap on settings. And now once you're in the settings page, if you scroll all the way down, you will find the delete account option. Go ahead and tap on delete account. And now you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. And you will also be told that your process will be completed in 28 days. Tap on the checkbox to acknowledge that you really want your account to be deleted, and then tap on the confirm button. Once you tap on confirm, you might need to provide a verification code that has been sent to your email address. So provide the code and tap on the continue button, and then your account deletion process will begin. Just make sure that you don't log in until you receive the final confirmation email from CoinMarketCap to make sure that your account is fully deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on the process of deleting your account on the CoinMarketCap application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.